Thank you for being here, whether you are a seasoned professional, an emerging talent, or someone with passion for histotechnology. So today, it is our opportunity for all of us to grow, share and connect, and we are thrilled to have you here.
We are doing this convention to answer the calling of the WHO that histotechs are supposed to be trained properly.
Pero yung bakit tayo nandito kasi hindi man tayo magkakakilala lahat pero may isa tayong common na alam, no? O alam ginagawa o goal, no? We all histotechnologists or we all advocates of histotechnology, no?
We are actually delighted to have experts and professionals from various fields coming together to explore the role of IHC, which is, of course, a modern diagnostics.
Sabi ko nga, ito na yung atin, no? Hindi na tayo yung parang nakikihalo sa iba, no? So, if you look around, you see your fellow histotech. If you go outside, you see suppliers or exhibitor na para sa atin, sa histotech, no? Na really focuses on our discipline, anong ginagawa natin para ma-improve pa yung practice.
Started from a small group. Now we have already established, we have a member of around 500, and that's the most important part of this convention, wherein we're able to gather the histotechnologists all around the country.
This is the first convention, this is the first conference or workshop na talagang sa atin. No? Kung lalabas kayo, makikita nyo bawat supplier, exhibitor para sa atin, no?
Strengthening foundations, building future innovations. Strengthening foundations, building future innovations.
This convention is para to sa improvement ng practice natin. So, sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat at magsama-sama at magkaroon ng collaboration after nitong convention. Dito natatapos today, but eventually tuloy-tuloy ito panghabang buhay. So, salamat again sa inyong lahat.